চারটে জিনিস. So what are the four things? That is Veblen effect, bandwagon effect, snob effect, or Giffen good. So these four things are there. Now there is a huge difference between these four. What are that? Bandwagon effect, if we start with, that is an article for preserving, for showing off, you can say. Like if there is a jewelry which is a very highly priced and one is purchasing that and using it to showcase and using it and buying it, purchasing it. So that is bandwagon effect. Now if I go to the snob effect, that is something which is one purchasing to showcase oneself from lower to upper side, like one is moving from the lower level and trying to come to the upper level. That is snob effect. And purchasing the thing and leaving the thing and not purchasing that, so as being considered to be rich, you can say. So that is called snob effect. Giffen good. What is Giffen good? Giffen good means, now first I will tell Veblen effect. Veblen effect is that, like for quality, like some things are there which we purchase जो कुछ चीज़ें होती है, जैसे जिन लोगों का सेम चीज़ें हैं, लेकिन जैसे चावल तो बहुत तरह के होते हैं, बहुत प्राइस के होते हैं, लेकिन हम लोग क्या करते हैं, हम लोग खरीदते हैं कोई किसी भी ब्रांड का खरीदता है, जैसे बासमती राइस, वो भी तो बहुत सारे टाइप के होते हैं. तो जब हम लोग क्वालिटी हम सोचते हैं कि इसका ज़्यादा प्राइस है, मतलब ये ज़्यादा अच्छा है, तो वो होता है वेवलेन इफेक्ट. एंड फाइनली व्हाट इज द Giffen goods? Giffen goods are something which was being named after Alfred Giffen, who introduced that people started purchasing more inferior good, like it happened a real life case, that people started purchasing more potatoes instead of more meat. So that is what is Giffen goods. So this is a basic difference between the four: bandwagon effect, snob effect, Giffen goods, and Veblen effect. This is a very important concept in economics, very important for anybody. So try to be clear with this perspective. So I tried to make this video on this four differences with the simple concepts in economics.